Hey there, Heather Boyd Wire here, and today we're going to make these very beautiful pendants made out of little wood discs. So what we're going to do to make the groove is you're just going to take your wooden piece and you're going to stick it in the vise like that, because you really want to hold it solid in place. And then I'm using just this hacksaw. There's probably other kinds of saws that you can use, and just very carefully you'll have to just in little swoops like that, and you're gonna have to make sure you tighten that in there. You could put like a cloth on either side to protect it, but you're just gonna very carefully like saw a little groove like that, and then slowly rotate it and keep sawing a little bit around that until you have the whole circumference done. So to put the wire around the wooden disc, we're just going to take a 20 gauge piece of wire, bend it at a right angle. We've got a couple inches at the top, and then we want to start the shape with a round form. So you could use a pill bottle or the ring cone like that. You're going to just start the shape like that so it's easier. We're going to take our disc and just put the wire so it just fits right in the groove there, and then wind it around the top. Okay, and then just clip the end, and then you can even tighten it a little bit with the flat pliers. And then to make the loop at the top, we're just going to bend it perpendicular if we're going to put it right on the cord. And if you're going to add a jump ring, make the little loop parallel to the disc. So we form our circle, hold it with the flat pliers, and then just bend it around as many times as you like, and clip it and put the little end in there. So there you have your wooden disc all ready to go, and you could paint it or varnish it if you like. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you like it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more DIY, wire art, and jewelry videos. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I post new videos and when I go live. And also be sure to join my Facebook group, the Wire Art and Jewelry Makers Club, where you can share photos of your wire art creations and be inspired by others. See you the next time.